Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Or, if you're new here, welcome. We're about to kick off a brand new series, and hope you're going to be with me every step of the way. In this first video, I'll walk you through the current bathroom and share my renovation plan and design ideas. And I'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments. I always enjoy hearing what you think. So, here it is, the before. As you can see, this bathroom has definitely seen better days. We've got some classic, let's say, vintage tile from a few decades ago, a dated vanity setup, and lighting that's not doing anyone any favors. The shower tub combo feels dark and cramped, and the whole layout just feels closed in and tired. Definitely not the relaxing modern space it could be. Now for the fun part, the vision. The plan is a full down-to-the-studs renovation. Everything is coming out. Floors, walls, vanity, toilet, tub, all of it. Demolition day is going to be intense. I'm planning to open up the layout and make the room feel much larger. We'll have a spacious walk-in shower with light-colored custom clay tile running all the way to the ceiling. The old vanity will be replaced with something sleek and modern, paired with lighted mirrors and updated fixtures. The tub will be removed to make space for a larger shower. I'm still deciding between a rain shower setup or a shower head and handheld combo. We'll see. I'll be closing off these two windows and installing a single narrow high frosted glass window for privacy and natural light. Below that, there'll be a matching width LED lit niche for storage and style. We'll also remove the dividing wall between the shower and vanity areas if possible. Fingers crossed I can demo the low ceiling in the vanity area. I'll check after demolition. Oh, and I'll frame the bathroom opening to 36 inches wide and install a cool barn door. It's going to be a big project. There'll be dust, challenges, and probably a few surprises along the way. But that's part of the fun, right? I'll be sharing every detail, design choices, tools, mistakes, tips, everything from demolition to the final reveal. So if you love seeing transformations, or you're planning your own bathroom remodel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single step. I'm really excited for this one. It's going to be an incredible journey. Let's get started.